So we're at the VAG Nation meet today. It's where is it? Scheifling?
Wörthersee.
As you can see, some sick motors turning up. We've been here about an hour, but we're starting to fill up now. I could be brown, I can be blue.
No close-ups, my face is fucking hideous.
Finally the weather's picking up as well. I think after this we might get to the tower.
Yep.
Jay's saying yeah. She's like yes. Yes, tower.
Yes,
yeah, and apparently the weather's meant to be even better tomorrow. So who knows what we're going to be doing, but yeah, so we're going to chill out here for a bit, catch some rays, see some cars, get in the way of people parking. Sorry mate. Oh, nice E21 that.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'll go around and you can have a look at the cars that are here at the minute. You see this Lupo is so sick. Yeah, so there's a really nice B3 Passat on RS's. A couple of RS4s are here. They're really nice.
Red Mark 4.
Couple of RS4s. It's the idea of having an estate car, practical, twin turboed, and a shitload of power.
Got to be practical. I mean, you are getting on a bit now, Jeff, can't you?
I am 30 next year, believe it or not.
Been 30 for the past 4 years, I've heard.
Cheeky fuck. And speaking of birthdays and 30, Mr. Stefan, happy birthday.
Thanks, mate. Thanks.
Are you good?
Yeah, we're good.
Weather's
Cars
awesome.
out. Yeah, weather's awesome compared to the last few days.
This is cute.
Yeah, friends bought it. Yeah, I had to wear it. They made me wear it. So
You're getting some decent coverage.
yeah, sort of.
There's a nice green matte one over there.
Yeah,
It's,
yeah. I heard it's terrible owner.
terrible owner, but the car's for sale.
He's a dick, but
Fuck it. Buy it.
buy it.
Buy it.
Yes, buy it.
Just do it.
Or give it to me for my birthday.
Yeah, no.
Not gonna
I love
do
you,
it.
but not that much.
Not that much. No, you need to sell it so you can buy something else.
Yeah, I mean, I'd love a 964, but I can't afford one of those. That's just a forever-ending dream that will just be a dream.
Yeah, because the price keep going.
The prices go up faster than I can. Save up for it. Yeah. If you've seen Brooklyn Nine-Nine, on the episode of Brooklyn Nine-Nine where Jake Peralta comes back from hiding and Boyle's got the frosty ice tips, he's gone full fucking Boyle. Yes. Birthday beer.
Legend, thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
There you go.
Cheers, brother.
You're welcome.
You know how to please. So not only at the show, there's like pretty sick motors, but just people driving past. I mean, that was a K70 and a few bugs, like stuff you just wouldn't usually see back at home. Motors. 32 is perfect. I think it's Irish green on Schmidt TH lines. It's yeah, cami kit. It's even got the cami fog blanks, and it's VR6 equipped, which just makes it 10 times cooler. Such sick areas. Managed to get parked up at the famous Shell garage, or it's not Shell anymore, it's Eni meat, whatever it is, you know what I mean. Some serious metal though. Nice GTD. Mark 1 here on some, I think they're custom bottle tops. The motorsport ones, same as Alex's, but they've got custom centre caps. Suit the car really well actually. I love a patinaed Mark 1. It's banging. And this is just completely on a different level. Full brown interior as well. Brown BBS wheel, same as mine, brown dash. Nice Series 2 GTI, just in a completely custom colour with BBS miles, all custom made into splits. A moly yellow RS4, don't come up too often. See, if I was to have one, it'd have to be a moly yellow. Nice beige Mark 2 this. So good. On the flip side of things, there's an R32 GTR. It's fucking amazing. Love that 16 valve Mark 2. BBS LMs, it's a good combination. Nice Mark 1 on BBS E52s. 1.8 turbo. I think this is one of my favourites. This red GTI 16 valve. And some BBS centre locks, Red Sports, and it's static. I mean, that fitment is just insane. That is good. Yeah, that is all sorts of winning. I mean, look at the torque. If I had plastic arches, I could get that low. So I'm currently parked next to an S2, a van. A nice B5 S4, awesome colour that. And then this 7 Series on some car lines. So that's Eni garage, or Eni garage, whatever, however you pronounce it. Pretty sick. Loads of motors going past, pretty chilled. Loads of nice cars in the car park as well. And I got a chance to have pizza and a catch up with Joe and Kat and Elliot and all the Goodman and all the people that were there with them. And nice to meet new faces and see old ones. Currently going to a photo shoot with Jazz Blue Mark 1 and his pal Nayad. In that Beetle behind, so sick. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. I think after this, probably chill, I don't know, we'll see where we go from there. But yeah, sick. I've just cruised past the famous hotel in Velden, and I've just had half the Slams UK lot from a penthouse suite shouting my name whilst I've been in my car. I'm going to try and put in the video here somewhere from their perspective.
There he is! Yeah! Who are you shouting at?
So this is the hotel, and there is just a string of epic cars. So Jason GTI, otherwise known as Jason DeMono. he comes and brings a selection of his most recent builds every year, and look who I've seen.
It's very, very difficult. Yes,
Yo! Well, I literally, like, when you were shouting me, I was like, I can hear it.
But
where the fuck are they?
English gang,
I was like, oh my god, I can see them. Fucking mental. We're waving. We're waving a lot.
There's people in the way of our wave.
There's people. You have to move from our wave.
Get out of the way.
Get out the way.
You going? How far away is the car?
Oh, it's that way.
Oh, where are you going that way for?
Because I'm doing bits.
Oh, okay. You're going.
One eternity later.
Oh, my friends have gone.
Love you, bye. Fuck's sake. Jason GTI, otherwise known as Jason DeMono. He comes and brings a selection of his most recent builds every year. So we've got the Lamborghini, the Delta Integrale that he's just done, the Escort Cosworth that completely busted the internet wide open, his E30 M3 on air ride and RS's, absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if this is his or not, but either way, gorgeous. And then he's just done this Fiat Uno Turbo, and I love how he's done the original wheels in splits. It's a good touch. So this is the hotel where they all stay at, and that's the view, which we can go and take a better look at. And this is Lake Wörthersee. So obviously Velden is situated here and over the other side of there, and this is Velden as well. So all of this side and over there is Velden. Klagenfurt is at the other end of the lake. St Maria Worth is over there, which is where GTI Treffen happens, which is the main show. And then right at the top of that hill, you can just see is the pyramid slide thing, which is where all the other guys have gone today. I didn't. I'm just chilling out here in Velden, catching up with a few people. It's pretty quiet, really. I mean, a lot of things don't actually kick off until later on, so all these cars that are parked up here probably will be in Velden Strip later, which is over that way, and that's where all the chaos happens. So one of the sickest cars at Wörthersee. Fucking Lincoln Continental, no questions, purely one of the most decent cars here, breaking necks everywhere it goes as well, so nice. Auto Finesse of filming my car. It's pretty sick. I copped in lucky, I pulled in and I copped a 6th spot. So, and there's another Mark 1 there as well. So we've got the two outside this building and it just looks sick. So they're just gonna cop both cars whilst they can. So that was Keen Suspension's 308 and the Pantera behind it, and it just sounds fucking unreal. And look who's joined me. We're off for food at Rocket Rooms, and to see the chaos unravel outside. So that's Velden. Sick. Sick. at one of my favourite places, which is now not my favourite place. The chef's decided that he wanted to do a bit of decoration on my burger and then plonk my burger in the decoration. Now I can't fucking pick it up and eat it.
Old bosses.
Seeing Ben and Sam suffer the same conundrums even funnier now it's not me.
Nothing wrong with that, mate. Nothing wrong with that.
I mean, that's still very saucy.
It's chef's special sauce.
Oh, we're in Sam C10. Oh, big old springs. Jesus Christ, it's like
Going a fucking barge.
yeah, you're good. You might be wondering why I've got high-vis on. You'll see in a minute. Got an important job to do. In fact, you'll see now. Back in this big old spring. Big old spring. Go on, Shag. Woo! Easy. Job complete. Me and Brad just on the whirly-dirly trampoline. Oh, fucking hell, I touched the bottom.
You back faster.
Went to Rocket Rooms.
They were amazing.
Was really good. Chilled out with Sam and his big V8, big springy boy. Chilled out in Velden. And now we're on the trampoline.
For kids.
For kids. Definitely not two fat bastards.
Oh, I touched the floor.
That's us. We're both starting out. Peace.
There goes a sight from my soul.